Children, now we are going to learn EVS lesson living and non-living things. உயிருள்ள பொருட்கள் மற்றும் உயிரற்ற பொருட்கள். We see different types of things around us. Things present around us can be living or non-living. Plants, animals and human beings are all living things. They have life in them. Stones, clouds, rivers, mountains, table, chairs are non-living things. They do not have life in them. First, we are going to learn living things. Living things grow. Living things வந்து வளரும். A puppy grows into a dog. A calf grows into a cow. A caterpillar grows into a butterfly. A small seed grows into a big tree. A baby grows into a boy or a girl. Next, living things breathe. Swasikum. Children, close your nose and mouth for a few seconds. How do you feel? Yes, we need air for breathing. All living things breathe. Plants and animals will also die if they do not get air to breathe. Children, observe your dog or cat when it is sleeping. See how it breathes. Yes, living things breathe in and breathe out air to live. Next, living things feel. உணரக்கூடிய தன்மையுடையது. We feel hot in summer. We feel cold in winter. We feel pain when we hurt. It will be painful and we will cry. Plants also feel. Plants can feel sunlight. They grow towards. Plants கூட என்ன செய்யும் அந்த sunlight பார்த்தே வளரும். For example, sunflower. Plants and animals need air, water and food. They need food to grow and to get energy. Living things reproduce. இனப்பெருக்கம் செய்யும். Living things give birth to their own kind. Cats, goats, cows, dogs and some animals and human beings give birth to babies. Ducks, turtles and hens lay their eggs. For example, dog and puppy, mother and baby, cow and calf, hen and chicken, duck and duckling. Next living things move. Do the pet cat or dog in our home go to our neighbor's house? உங்க வீட்ல இருக்கிற dog, cat வந்து உங்க பக்கத்து வீட்டுக்கு போகுமா? Yes. Animals move from place to place for food, shelter and to escape from their enemies. Birds fly. Snake crawl. Monkey jump or climb. Fish swim. Man walk. Then look at the beautiful plants in your house. Do they move? Yes or no? No. Plants do not move from one place to another place because the plants are fixed to the soil by their roots. Children, now we are going to learn the characters of non-living things. Can you now wear the clothes you wore when you were a baby? நீங்க பேபியா குட்டி பிள்ளைங்களா இருந்தீங்கல்ல அப்ப போட்ட Dress இப்போ யூகேஜி படிச்சுட்டு இருக்கீங்க. இப்போ போட முடியுமா? No. Clothes have no life. So non-living things do not grow. But you have grown from a baby to a child. நீங்க பேபியா இருக்கிற சமயம் போட்ட ட்ரெஸ் வந்து அப்படியே தான் இருக்கும், வளர்ந்துருக்காது. ஆனா நீங்க என்ன எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? பேபியா இருந்த நீங்க இப்போ எஸ் சைல்டா வளர்ந்துருக்கீங்க, அப்படிதானே? யூ ஹாவ் grown from a baby to a child. Okay, then non-living things do not have life. Does a chair or a table need food and water? Says or no? No. Non-living things do not need food and water. What happens if you beat a chair with a stick? Are they feeling? No, they are not feeling. They have no pain. So non-living things do not feel. Non-living things do not move. Non-living things do not breathe. Okay. Now listen once again. Living things breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things need food and water. Non-living things do not need food and water. Living things move. Non-living things do not move. Living things grow. Non-living things do not grow. Living things feel. Non-living things do not feel. Thank you, children.